8 years ago, a visionary idea took shape. An online marketplace that would revolutionize public procurement in India. This was Government e-Marketplace, GeM. GeM was born out of the need to streamline public procurement, to eliminate inefficiencies and to bring every seller in India to the forefront of opportunity. Over the past 8 years, GeM has worked tirelessly to make India's procurement procedure efficient, transparent and inclusive. 8 years of innovation, 8 years of impact, 8 years of community. Today, GeM is home to more than 1,55,702 buyer organizations and 91,20,278 sellers and service providers. 11,810 product categories and over 327 service categories. Over 9.52 lakh micro and small enterprises, MSEs have found a platform here. Receiving orders worth more than 3.83 lakh crore rupees, contributing to nearly 39.25% of GeM's cumulative GMV. Over 1.63 lakh women-led MSEs have fulfilled 19 lakh orders worth 35,138 crore rupees. Supporting startups is a key part of GeM's vision. Over 25,629 startups have secured orders worth more than 27,319 crore rupees through GeM. In the last 3 years itself, GeM has witnessed 10x growth, surpassing 4 lakh crore rupees in GMV for FY 2023-24 from 422 crore rupees in 2017. 2016, GeM Portal was born. 2017, GeM SPV came into being through a cabinet decision and GeM was incorporated as a not-for-profit company on 17th May 2017. This marked the end of an era for DGSND, whose origins date back to the Indian Supply Mission established in 1860 and ushered in a new paradigm in public procurement through GeM. 2018 was an early foundation-setting year with focused attention on transparency, efficiency, cashless, contactless and paperless transactions and maximizing ease of availability of products and services. 2019 was the year of innovative approaches to support women in startups, where the Womania Initiative for Women Entrepreneurs, SHGs and Startup Corner was launched to underscore our commitment to inclusion and innovation. 2020. This was the scaling up phase for GeM, where a large bouquet of products and services were introduced. COVID hastened the adoption of rapid digitalization and many CPSUs were onboarded during this time. 2021 saw rapid growth in terms of expansion of buyer network, adoption of custom and BOQ modes of procurement, implementation of Make in India policy and launch of GeM Sahay, India's first experiment with OCEN platform. 2021 was the inflection point for the GeM GMV journey, beginning a new phase of doubling GMV every year. 2022, cooperatives added to GeM's buyer list. High growth era for procurements from CPSEs and states with augmentation of human resources. 2023. This year was a watershed moment for GeM in terms of achieving a $50 billion GMV as well as strengthening and empowering its seller base. Services emerged as a dominant theme of growth in GMV. 2024 ushered in a series of seller-friendly measures including rationalization of cost of entry on GeM and drastic reduction in the transaction charges. Multilingual interactive learning management system introduced. Celebrating 8 years of innovation, impact and beyond.